Nishant from Simply Interiors. I'm actually in Prestige Lakeside Habitat today, and this is in Bangalore, Varthur. And we are just finishing off one work, and this kind of an impromptu video which I thought of shooting, talking about some very specific thing which was happening back there. Okay, so we're actually on the ground floor, and that is the entry to the tower. And I've been there for the last 3-4 hours, basically just making sure, doing the final audit and all. And while observing, I actually saw a lot of work which was, coming over from other, interior designers and all those people. So I just thought I will make an impromptu video to tell you about some issues which can happen when you go to a contractor who says that he has a factory but he doesn't. Okay. Now, so there was one guy who came over, and his things we actually saw in pretty good detail, because I went over to him and I'm not wearing my Simply Interiors t-shirt, so I was just loitering around and he thought that I was one of the owners of the flats, and I went to ask him about the pricing, okay, just to get an idea. So he was a carpenter, and his pricing was the same as ours. Okay, there was no difference in our pricing and his. And he was unloading shutters, okay, only the shutters. So I asked him why he's unloading the shutters, where's the rest of the stuff. He said everything else has already been fixed, the shutters were done in the factory. Now this kind of felt confusing, because to my eyes, I see this work almost every day. So to my eyes, that those shutters were not made in factory. But how will you figure that out? Okay, so there were two things which were very prevalent in those, and I will use our this wardrobe as an example to show you. So this wardrobe, everything has been done in the factory. Okay, so we're just finishing the work, so there's some cleaning and all left. Everything else is otherwise done. So this wardrobe has been done in the factory, right? Now, if I open any of these doors, what you will see is these are mini fixes. So of course the work is done in factory, and also I keep talking about the mini fixes and all. But there were two things in his work which kind of didn't make sense. So I'll just talk about the shutters, because it was only the shutters. This is the edge banding. He also had edge banding. Okay, but you could see very small tape marks which were there, okay, which kind of stick around like this. Now these tape marks are done. This tape is stuck in case this is hand stuck. Okay, in case this edge banding is stuck with a hand and not by a machine, not by an edge banding machine. We will be talking about these machines in another video, but those tapes are used to stick this together. Now we also do the same in case we are working on site and we have some laminate work going on. But if you have actually been promised that the work is happening in the factory, it should be factory finished. So this was not, okay, that there were tape marks which were very clear. Now these tape marks, obviously before the actual handover of the flat, the guy will obviously be cleaning the tape marks, and he will make sure that those tapes are not visible. Okay, but otherwise they were, okay, so they were visible. And the second thing which was there is, this is white laminate. Okay, so you can actually, you can really not figure out how smooth this laminate is. Okay, but it is very smooth right now. The reason is because it has been stuck using a pressing machine, which is a big machine which comes, which again makes sure that this sticking is even. Okay, and the glue that we use for this is a heat glue. It is not a regular glue, not Fevicol or something. It is a heat glue which is put behind it. Okay, so now this is a 0.7 mm laminate. Okay, now all these white laminates, they are all 0.7 mm. This is the minimum which should be done. Okay, now if it is not stuck with heat and somebody is putting the 0.7 mm or a 0.6 mm, which in his case it was actually 0.6 mm. Okay, so if you're putting a 0.6 mm, there will be small air bubbles, okay, which will be visible. Okay, this guy cannot remove them anyways. So in case if you're getting your work done by a contractor and he's promised you factory finish, please just make sure that the work justifies that it is actually factory finish. Cost wise, he was surprisingly, he was the same as us. So I don't say that we are expensive. We try to keep our cost low. That primarily comes because of the volume of the work that we do. But so cost wise, he was at par. Time wise, he was already 1.5 months into the project. I think, yeah, he said he'll finish in 1.5 months, I believe. This project today is the 28th day, and we are finishing the work. Curtain rods and all right now we are putting. So time wise, he was actually bad. Cost wise, he was the same. Factory wise, he was actually cheating his customer. Material wise, he was cheating the customer, because he was actually putting 0.6 mm where he should not be putting 0.6 mm. So lot of things, lot of issues, which kind of made me feel that, I don't know. So obviously we can't do all the work. But yeah, in case you're getting your work done from factory, or somebody is claiming that he's doing work in the factory, please make sure that he's doing that. Just please make sure that you do your inspections. So I do not know if this video will reach that gentleman who's getting his work done. But if it does, please make sure that you check the work, check the insides. Okay, check the insides for any air bubbles. Okay, the insides means this part. Okay, check the insides for any air bubbles, because the outside laminate is usually 1 mm. You will not have, so usually 1 mm. Okay, but you will not have air bubbles in 1 mm laminates. Inside you will have. Okay, so in case it's not done in factory and it's a thin laminate, you will have air bubble issues. Okay, so just make sure that is not there. um, I hope this video helps out to goes out to those people who are being duped by people right now. So just go through it, and please make sure that your work is not below standard. You're paying for it, you should get the best work that is possible in that price. Take care. Thank you so much. This is Nishant from Simply Interiors.